electromeric effect or E effect. This effect takes place when an attacking reagent, that means a reagent is added to a molecule containing a multiple bond, whether it is a double bond or a triple bond, that is called attacking reagent. Attacking reagent attacks a molecule containing a multiple bond, that is a double bond or a triple bond. It involves a transfer, complete transfer of the shared pair of pi electron of the multiple bond to one of the bonded atom. That means in a bond, if there is two bond, carbon-carbon double bond means one is a pi bond and another one is a sigma bond. All the shifting will take place only in this pi. That is, in the pi bond also two electrons are there. It is completely transferred to one of the carbon atom. The effect is purely temporary. As soon as the reagent is removed, the electrons return back to the original position. This effect may be defined as follows. The complete transfer of a shared pair of pi electrons of a multiple bond to one of the shared atoms in the presence of an attacking reagent is called electromeric effect or E effect. It can be explained like this. This is a carbon-carbon double bond in which a pi bond and a sigma bond. The pi bond electrons are completely transferred to this carbon. Attacking reagent, when it is added, this is the position. This carbon lost the electron, therefore plus 1 charge. This carbon gained 1 electron, therefore minus 1 charge. But if the reagent is removed, automatically this will be returning to this position. That is, attacking reagent is removed. The position is this. Due to the transfer of pi electrons, the atoms involved in the multiple bond formation acquires positive and negative charges. The atom which loses the electron acquires a positive charge, that is the positive charge, while one which gains the electron acquires a negative charge. The electromeric effect is shown by a curved arrow. This is a curved arrow to show that electromeric effect takes place in this pi electron to carbon, from one carbon to the other carbon.